Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics. You're in NBA 2K25, updated, and our profile that allows motion edits. Once done, open My Player or the Create a Player menu and navigate to the Animations or Motion Style section. You should see current assigned motion sets. Make sure to note them. Now select the slot you want to change, free throws, layups, or gather, and prepare to preview alternatives. This step gets you into the editor, where the actual swaps happen. Next, you preview motion options and compare how each feels in-game. Use the built-in preview to test walk, sprint, dribble, and shot styles. Watch animation speed and footwork. Then apply filters like pace or signature to narrow choices. Once you pick a motion, assign it to the specific category and run a quick on-court test in practice mode. Make small timing tweaks or swap adjacent animations to fix awkward transitions, because smooth blends prevent animation pop. To finish, save your changes and immediately test them in practice and a live match to validate timing under game physics. If you spot snapping, clipping, or mismatched transitions, revert to the backed-up motion or toggle the newly assigned style off and on. Make sure to clear any console/PC cache and confirm you have the latest patch. Sometimes server sync causes odd behavior. If issues persist, reinstall update or reassign motions one at a time to isolate the offending animation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.